Hello students, I welcome you all to this video lecture on customs duty. In this particular video, we'll be solving the illustration 13. General Motors Limited, Chennai imported machinery from Astra Opel, Germany. The financial terms were as follows. Cost of machine 10,000 euros, cost of container 200 euros, technology transfer charges payable to General Motors USA 1000 euros, cost of sea freight 1500 euros, insurance 10,000 rupees 10,000. The importer donated 1000 euros to Opel Foundation Germany, not for profit organization engaged in fighting AIDS. The rate of exchange on date of submission of bill of entry is 1 euro is equal to rupees 82. Compute the assessable value and customs duty payable if customs tariff is 10% and IGST 28%. So the donation made has no impact on either the calculation of assessable value or customs duty payable. This particular full statement is of no use for us. So let's move on. So first we have to take into consideration the cost of machine. They have set 10,000 euros, multiply that by 82, you will get the amount in Indian National Rupees 8,20,000. Next you have to take cost of container 200 into 82, 16,400. Next technology transfer charges 1000 into 82, 82,000. You will get FOB price 11,200 euros and in Indian National Rupees 9,18,400. Next add the transportation charges, sea freight. Here it is clearly mentioned it is sea freight, so 1500 will be taken directly, nothing to compare and all here. 1500 into 82, 1,23,000. Next insurance they have paid in Indian rupees, so we'll take the amount 10,000 as it is. We'll get the assessable value of machine, that is 10,51,400. Once we find that out, we have to find out the customs duty payable. So first let us look at the important data points. Basic customs duty 10%, IGST 28%. If you want, we can once again recheck. See here, basic customs duty tariff is 10% and IGST is 28%. So let's move on. First we will take the assessable value 10,51,400. We have got it here. We have taken the same amount once again. Next add the basic customs duty. They have said it is at 10% of assessable value. So 10,51,400 into 10% will be 1,05,140. NCCD is not mentioned, CVD is not mentioned. So directly we will get subtotal EA, that is 11,56,540. When you add both of this, you will get it, and nothing here to add. So 1,05,140 as it is. Next you will take social welfare surcharge, whatever is the duty amount you have got till now on that 10%. So 1,05,140 into 10%. So it will be 10,514. Have they given safeguard duty? No. Protective duty is also not given. Anti-dumping duty is also not mentioned. So next we will get subtotal B, 11,56,540 plus 10,514, 11,67,054, 1,05,140 plus 10,514, 1,15,654. IGST at 28% on subtotal B is given. They have mentioned that IGST is at 28%. We have to find it out on subtotal B. So 11,67,054 into 28%, 3,26,775. Once again 3,26,775. There is no compensation cess mentioned in the problem. So we will get total customs duty payable, that is add these two, 1,15,654 plus 3,26,775, 4,42,429 is the total customs duty payable, whereas the cost of import of that particular machine is 14,93,829. Thank you.